Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to add numbers more easily using an open number line by decomposing a number. So let me give you an example of what that means, because the word decompose is a pretty large word and it might be confusing to some of you. So what that would mean is if I had 10 plus 25, whoops, not 20. If I had 10 plus 25, I can decompose the number 25. What the number 25 could also mean is 20 and 5. So let's say that 10 plus 25 was just too much for me to add. So I got my open number line and I start at 10. And I just don't know where to go from there. Well, I know that 25 also is 20 and 5. So instead, I'm going to add 20, 1, 2 jumps of 10 away. Which would get us to 20 and 30. And then I would add that 5. So now I would add on 5. And I know that 30 plus 5 is 35. Another example of this would be if I had 28 plus 12. So here I have my open number line. Remember, your open number line does not need to be perfect. Mine never is. And so I start here at 28, and I just can't think what 28 plus 12 is. But I know that 12 is also 2 plus 10. So I'm going to say, 28 plus 2 is 30. And then I can add on the other 10. Bigger jump. Add on the other 10. And 30 plus 10 more is 40. So 28 plus 12 is 40. So you might be wondering, Miss Clement, there are lots of ways that you can break apart the number 12. How did you decide to do 2 and 10? Well, when I was looking at that number 28, I was trying to think, what is a close number to that that's either 30 or 35, something that ends with a 0 that's really easy to add and subtract by. And I said, okay, 30 is pretty close here, and 30 is 2 away from 28. So I thought I'm going to break apart 12 into 2 and something else. Like I said, there are lots of different ways that you can break apart the number 12. You can add 3 and 9. You can add 4 and 8. You can add 5 and 7. There are lots and lots of options for us. Let's So what if we were adding 26 plus 12? What two numbers might you break 12 into that we wrote over here to help us get to a close number to 26 that's easy to add? Maybe 30. I want you to pause this video and I want you to choose what do you think would be the best option to break 12 into if we were trying to first get to 30. If you chose 4 and 8, you are correct. If you did not choose 4 and 8, that's okay. We're going to keep practicing. Sometimes it's hard to figure this out. So let's see what would happen if we had 26 plus 12, and we first added 4, and then we added 8. So if we had 26 here, sorry, my little pen's a little slow. Let's see, I would first add 4, which would get us to 30. And then we would add 8 more. This would get us to 40. So 26 plus 12 is 40. So what I would like you to do for homework is to go to the link on Google Classroom called coolmathforkids.com, and you'll want to click the link that I have there. Don't just go to coolmathforkids.com only. You'll want to click the link that I have. And I just want you to play around with some of these blocks. So you might create the number 13. So here we have 110, whoop, and 3 ones, which gets us 13. And I want you to think about how you can break that apart. We could have 4 and 9. We could have 6 and 7. We could have just 3 and 10 like we do here. And I just want you to play around with how you can break apart different numbers. And I just want you to take a screenshot of your page of all the different numbers that you created, and I want you to turn that in for your homework for today. And we will continue learning more about what we did today tomorrow, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching.